Good morning, it's day 5 here on Anthem of the Seas, and we are already docked at Perfect Day at Coco Cay. We are here next to the Freedom of the Seas, so we're just going to head to breakfast and then we're going to make our way onto the island. But first, a little bit about Perfect Day at Coco Cay. It is the private island exclusive to Royal Caribbean guests. Here, you'll find an array of activities for all ages. This includes Thrill Waterpark, home to the tallest water slide in North America. There are also racing slides, or you can head to the wave pool. And yes, you can enjoy a variety of these activities without breaking the bank. You can spend time at the Oasis Lagoon, the largest freshwater pool in the Caribbean, and it has a swim-up bar. The zip line offers a bird's eye view of the island, or you can try Up, Up and Away, which is the helium balloon ride for more great views. For a more beach-themed experience, head to Chill Island or South Beach. Here you can rent jet skis, snorkel gear, or a cabana. Although the floating cabanas offer a luxurious beach experience, they do come at a high price, so you may want to opt for a beach chair or hammock instead. Those are free. South Beach offers a more relaxed setting with all of the amenities you may need. It is the perfect spot to relax and just soak up the sun. For a refreshing drink, you can simply swim up to the floating bar, where you can order a cocktail without even leaving the water. There are complimentary beach chairs and umbrellas, allowing you to spend the day just lounging by the water. And when you're ready to refuel, there are a variety of included food options. Windjammer Buffet is pretty quiet, so a quick breakfast here, and of course, lovely view. The first time we were on Anthem of the Seas, we didn't even find this location, but if you go out the back of the buffet, there's this great outdoor seating area, which today gives us a great view of Coco Cay. This area of the island is currently under development and will be the future adults-only area. As we head off the ship, it really is imposing to be standing between two of these massive cruise ships. As you can see, there are shuttles that run between the ships and the island. Alright, we are off the ship, making our way onto Perfect Day at Coco Cay. Beautiful day. Beautiful.
The zip line takes you high above the island for some great views. It is 1,600 feet long and reaches a height of 50 feet. Up and Away is the helium balloon ride for another great aerial view. There are days like today where the wind is just a bit too high and it will not be operating. You can book this through Royal Caribbean Excursions, and if it's not operating, you will be refunded the cost.
Alright, we're wandering to South Beach here on Coco Cay. It's hot, but we finally got some shade. South Beach is kind of one of the further areas on Coco Cay right now. And the new adults area is still under construction, so I think that's anticipated to be open next year.
No matter where I go, I can't escape these seagulls.
Alright, we're headed back to the ship. If you want to avoid the crowds, you'll definitely want to get back before you're all aboard time. A little busy getting back. Okay, we are back to our cabin. Turns out the crowds we saw on the pier were not too bad after all. It's only because Freedom and Anthem of the Seas were boarding at the same time, so everyone's making their way back to the ships. We spent our afternoon at South Beach on Coco Cay, and it was very relaxing. We had a bit to eat down there, and overall, no complaints at all. We had a really great time. The water was great, and yeah, we look forward to coming back again. We didn't check out any of the water parks or anything like that, but again, we'll do that at a future time. And now we're just going to get ourselves ready for the evening. We don't have any formal plans for tonight, so we're gonna see what the evening brings. We've made our way to dinner, and it is Caribbean night in the main dining room. We were then off to the production show We Will Rock You. Here's a few clips of that. finished off the night with a last bit of entertainment in the pub, and then back to our cabin.
Give me all you got, don't hold it back.
Good evening. We are back to our cabin after a great day 5 evening here on Anthem of the Seas. We had dinner in the main dining room. It was Caribbean night, so there were a few musical festivities going on in the dining room. Then we went off to the production show of We Will Rock You. It was really good. Then we checked out a few of the other venues, just some music and karaoke going on, but we're gonna call it an early night tonight because we have a few extra things planned for tomorrow as we start our 2 sea days as we head back to Bayonne. So please like and subscribe to these videos so we can bring you the rest of our time here on Anthem of the Seas. And we'll soon have some information for you about our upcoming cruises in one of the upcoming videos. So for now, good night.